Right now, we're repairing this hill. There was some visqueen that was on there before that got blown off, so we're just resetting that. It's making sure everything's wrapped up and sealed so the water doesn't damage anything else. It's a challenge, a new challenge with the hillside.
Grab that end and pull.
Mostly what they're worried about is this hillside eroding and coming down on itself. It's so saturated, if it gets any more, it won't be able to hold it. They roll it out, roll it down, and then we go down and we take the 2x, roll it in between the seams. We're drilling those together so that it's sealed up, the water can't sneak through. There's a row at the top that we're attaching the visqueen to so it doesn't slide further down, and that grade is just, you know, like they're sliding down, it doesn't want to hold us. And then it'll go from that tree to about the edge of that post there, so this whole cliffside will be protected after. Everyone here is all hands on deck. Miserable conditions, but we're here for it. Deployment is 4 to 7 days for us. We can be out as long as 21 days. If there's someone else or somewhere else that needs help, we'll be there.